Hi and welcome back. Listen, I want to have a real conversation with you today. This is not a lecture and it is not a lesson. Just me and you having real conversation, talking about something I know is on your mind right now. You have created your Rambo channel, you have uploaded your videos, you have set up your payment method, but you are sitting there right now looking at your follower count and thinking, why is this number not moving? I've been there, and today I'm going to tell you exactly what I did that worked for me. So get a seat, let's talk. First things first, my friend, I want you to forget everything you know about growing on social media, because Rumble is different. You do not need to dance, you do not need to go viral, you do not need a fancy camera or a premium studio. What you need is a simple strategy and a willingness to show up consistently. That is it, simple as that. So let me walk you through what I did and what you should be doing right now to get your first 100 followers on Rumble as fast as possible. The first thing I want you to do is look at your Rumble channel right now. Take a close look at your profile. Seriously, open Rumble and look at it. Does it look professional? Does it tell people exactly what your channel is about the moment they land on it? Because here's the truth, my friend. If someone visits your channel and it looks incomplete or confusing, they are going to leave without following you, and that is a follower you will never get back. So make sure your channel name is clear. Make sure your description tells people exactly what they will learn by following you. Make your profile picture and banner look sharp and professional. Well, we have already done that in Ryan Teaches Tech, so you and I are already ahead of the game. But if you have not done it yet, please go and fix that before doing anything else, because everything else I am about to tell you today only works if your channel looks the part first. Alright, now let us talk about the thing that is going to move your follower count faster than anything else, and that is consistency. I know everyone says consistent, but hear me out, because this is very important. Every single time you upload a video on Rumble, the algorithm remembers you. Every single time you upload a video on Rumble, something happens behind the scenes. Rumble's algorithm notices you. Rumble's algorithm notices that your channel is active. It starts showing your video to more people, and those people discover your channel and some follow you. But here is the key thing. This only happens when you upload regularly. If you upload once and then disappear for 2 weeks, Rumble's algorithm forgets you just like that. So you and I have committed to uploading twice a week on Ryan Teaches Tech, and I need you to hold yourself to that schedule, because that consistency is what is going to build your channel follower count consistently week after week after week. Now let me tell you about the strategy that got me my first follower fastest, and it is so simple it almost feels too easy. WhatsApp. Every single time I upload a new video on Rumble, I copy the link and send it to every WhatsApp group I am in. Every single one. The family groups, the friends group, the community group, all of them. And I write a short message, something like this. Hello, I just dropped a new tutorial on my Rumble channel. I think you will really find this helpful. Check it out and let me know what you think. Then I paste it with the link. That is it. Free and incredibly effective. You know how many people are on WhatsApp right now just scrolling, thinking they could get something interesting to watch? Your video could be exactly what they are looking for. So send it with that link. Now here is another thing I want you to start doing immediately. Since you are already on YouTube as well, you have something most Rumble creators do not have. You have two audiences, and you can use YouTube to grow your Rumble following and vice versa. At the end of every YouTube video, tell your viewers to follow you on Rumble. Something casual like this. Hey, if you are watching me on YouTube, I also upload on Rumble. Come and follow me there too. The link is in the description. Then make sure the link is actually in the description, because that one sentence at the end of every YouTube video could be sending new followers to your Rumble channel every single day on autopilot without you doing anything else. Okay, now this next one is something most people overlook completely, and and it is your comments section. My friend, your comments section is gold. Every comment on your video is a real person who watched your content and felt strongly enough to write something. And what you need to do is to reply to every single one of them. Every single one. Because when someone leaves a comment and you reply, something magical happens to them. They feel seen, they feel appreciated, and they become loyal followers who keep coming back and who tell their friends about your channel. So make it a habit. Every morning, spend about 5 minutes going through your comments section and replying to everyone personally. It costs you nothing, but the loyalty it builds is priceless. And finally, I want to talk about something so simple that most people never think to do it. Put your Rumble channel link everywhere. On your WhatsApp bio, your Facebook profile, your email signature, your YouTube about section, everywhere, literally, because you never know who is going to see it. Your colleague might see it in your email signature and follow you. Every place your link appears is another open door that someone could walk through and discover your channel. So go on and put that link everywhere today, right after watching this video. Alright, my friend, let me bring it all together. 6 simple things I want you to do starting today. Make sure your channel looks professional and complete. Upload 2 videos every single week without fail. Share every video on WhatsApp the moment it goes live. At the end of every YouTube video, tell people to follow you on Rumble. Reply to every single comment on your channel personally and put your Rumble channel link absolutely everywhere. Do these 6 things consistently and I promise you your 100 followers are coming. Maybe not tomorrow, but they are coming. And the day you hit 100 followers and Rumble sends you that partnership notification, you are going to remember this conversation and you are going to be glad you didn't give up. So here is what I want you to do right now. Pick only one strategy from everything we just talked about. Just one. Go and implement it today, right now, before you do anything else. Because the only difference between a creator who grows and one who stays stuck is action. So take action today. And if you found this helpful, please follow Ryan Teaches Tech right here on Rumble and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss a new video. Drop your current follower count in the comments below. I genuinely want to know where you are starting from so I can cheer you on as you grow. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Let us keep growing together.